Hi, it's Lydie. Today we're going to talk about tips that you can implement to allow your child to travel with you with ease. So, the first thing, it's important to practice. Whatever you are doing to prepare your child, practice it. If you want your child to sit for a long period of time, if you're taking the plane, for example, sit with your child and teach your child that it's important to look around. For example, you are sitting on the sofa in your living room and you're going to say to your child, oh, this is comfortable, I like being seated and I can look around, and then describe your living room, talk about something so your child can understand that one, he doesn't need to have anything in front him or her to have fun, and second, that when you are sitting you can observe what is going on around you and ask questions, answer questions, so your child can understand that now he or she can do something else. Most of the time, when you travel, you're just going to give the tablet, but you don't want to give that habit. The child can have the tablet, maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes here and then, but not for a full 3 hours if you take in the plane, for example. It's too much. So teach your child to enjoy seated and just talking, looking around. So it's important to do it little by little. So that means that when you're going to do that, first try a 5 minutes ride. Then you're going to do a 10 minutes ride. You cannot do a 3 hours or 5 hours. It's too long. But you're going to increase the time little by little. Then it's important also to have activities that are age appropriate. If you want to go somewhere, it cannot be, you cannot start by doing full days. So you cannot do full days. So how are you going to do it? It's very simple. As I said, you're going to start by little time. You're going to start by, okay, let's go 10 minutes outside. You go 10 minutes outside and then you come back inside. And you're going to see your child will say, no, I don't want to go back. Let's stay longer. So now you see your child can enjoy it. Now you say, no, it was just 10 minutes. So your child understands that it's not all the time that you're going to stay out for a long period of time. Then you're going to say 15 minutes and then you're going to do 20 minutes. So then the child can be used to it. Don't go out for like a whole day. The child will be so cranky. You don't want that. So try to make activities. You go somewhere, then you come back. And then you rest, you let your child rest, then you go again. I know it's going to be a lot of back and forth, but at least your child will be less cranky. And also it's very important to not have a lot of activities in one day. Sometimes you just want to pack the day, but it's too much for the child. Sometimes just one thing, or one in the morning and then one in late afternoon, and the child will be very, 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 very entertained. You don't need also to think too hard or to want to do things very expensive or adventurous unless your child asks for it. But just going outside and spending time with your child, doing it with your child, you're going to see that your child will remember that time for a long period of time. As well, it's very important to pack snack and also water, and also teach your child that we don't have to eat all the time, because when we're outside we just want to eat. Even as adults, you just want to eat. So teach your child that, okay, we have time. You cannot be all the snack in one sitting. So teach your child that, okay, we're going to eat now, and then you're going to say we're going to wait until this time. So now your child understands that now vacation is not only eating, snack all day long. Because then when you're going to be back to your home routine, your child will not understand why you cannot eat, snack all day, every day. So I hope those quick tips will help you during this summer. So enjoy your time and remember that you are creating memories for your child. So your child might not remember exactly what you did, but your child will remember the feeling of it. Your child will remember if you had fun or no. So make sure that your child is having fun and enjoying the time with his parents, his or her parents. Thank you again. Comment and tell me what do you do to allow your child to enjoy his or her vacation as much as you enjoying it.